McCracken, your OC Realtor, bringing you the California dream of eco, sun, and fun. It's a hot June day today here in South Laguna. We're looking at this house here. Beautiful house in Fairview, totally remodeled in 2007. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Goes for $998,000, which is about $800 and some dollars a square foot, which isn't bad considering that it's just been redone. Here, take a look at this thing. This is the master bedroom here, and it has all reclaimed beams up there. They kept all the original floors and redid those. It's a good sized room. A big closet we'll take a look at in a second here. So you can see some of the dimensions of this room. It's pretty nice. It has a closet space there as well. Check out this bathroom. There's one of those rain heads. His and her sinks. Nice tile all throughout. Go back to the closet here. Nice big walk-in closet. It looks like it ends there, but it doesn't. It goes actually back to this area as well. So nice big closets, which is a premium here in Laguna Beach. So we're going to go upstairs here. If you want more information on this, you can contact me, Sean McCracken, at welivethedream.com or welcometothedream.com, or you can email me at Sean at welcometothedream.com. Subscribe to this YouTube, or 949-290-5317. So check out this kitchen. All the latest appliances. Nice LG refrigerator, 4-burner stove. Beautiful sink. I love these types of sinks. Nice little view on the back, privacy. All new cabinets. Dishwasher. Again, the floors are beautiful, and also check out the ceilings. These are some of the original ceilings. They call them board and beam. And then come into the dining room here. This is the living room area. Fan up there. And it is a little overcast today, but it does have a really nice ocean view. It's on a cul-de-sac. There's no through traffic. It has a nice little sitting area out here. It actually has a wraparound porch downstairs as well. You have a little opaque area here that kind of gives you more privacy, even though you don't really need it. Again, a nice view out there. Very nicely done. And then they have another bathroom here. Look at this nice pedestal sink. Full bathtub and shower. And then it has a nice room back here. Each room has a fan, nice breeze in here, some of the original windows. I love these. So, you know, these folks bought this thing almost at this price and then remodeled it, and they still have equity in the place and maybe even a little room. So it's a pretty good deal. Let's take a look again. Just a really nice homey spot. Really well done. And I should also point out that it has a nice little sitting area in the back here. And that's a kind of a movable type of table, so you can ship that around to how many guests that you have. They did all this brickwork. Look at this cool brickwork they did here. You have a nice big barbecue here in the back, obviously where they do the barbecuing. And then the nice little sitting area here. It's a total of 1,121 square feet, which is pretty nice, and it has a nice, full-size garage. So hope you enjoyed that. It's blistering hot down here. A lot of traffic. The tourists are out. Families are in. My families are in. Got brothers and sisters. You got mom and dad. I mean, everybody's rented places and having a blast. So again, if you have any interest in this, please contact me, Sean McCracken. Have a good day.